Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. I'm coming here to give a special announcement for CLAT Hurdle which is going on right now. What are the changes we have brought in with the new CLAT 2021 announcement? So keeping that in mind, this is some of the changes which we are adopting in CLAT Hurdle. Okay, so whatever you have been doing so far for 1 week, you have been doing this. Okay, from this week, from the second day, that is from today onwards, we are changing the method for CLAT Hurdle. Okay, now I'm sure you know what is the objective. You know the objective is a mid-term review for your preparation. This is a good time to take a review of all your preparation, because if you assess your performance today based on range of test, you will be in a position to identify what are your weaknesses, and thereby you can say we would like to help students who can compete nationally and try and see whether they are able to manage, you can say, up to the level required by CLAT. So this is our offline CLAT Hurdle 2021. So I'm sure you know the approach is very simple. For उसमें से एक week जा चुका है. Monday to Friday you are getting one sectional test and one Sunday mock. Okay, so there are total 4 mocks, and here you get 4 into 5. Total 20 tests are available to you. I'm sure this is easy for you to understand. Okay, and the time is 9 p.m. Now, what is the change? The change is this: the link for this offline CLAT Hurdle course. So we have developed a full course now. So there is a link provided in the description. So you go and register there. Simple. It is a very simple thing. You want to use it through your mobile phone app. Okay, that is also possible, or through a website. It is possible. Very simple. You go through that particular link. Okay, after that you join a course where it is mentioned CLAT Hurdle 2021 course. It is free, so we are not charging any money for that. Okay, it is free for everyone. Then you can say every day a test in a PDF format will be uploaded by 9 p.m. Okay, ठीक है, along with answer marking link. Okay, there will be a link of a Google form where you have to submit your answers. Okay, so these two things are provided. Okay, ठीक है, you appear for the test, you submit your answer in the link. Okay, the students who have appeared for the test and they have marked their answers within a given time, whatever is the time provided for them, we will be providing the answer keys. Okay, we will be sending them detailed explanation in a PDF format in their, you can say, email ID. I think this is pretty clear. This is a change we have adopted in this class starting from today. Okay, so I repeat one more time. There is a link in the description. Okay, you can very well go through that. That is a website. You want to, you can say, work with mobile app. So there is ProTalent Digital. ProTalent Digital app is available. Okay, go through that app, find out CLAT Hurdle course there. In a CLAT Hurdle course, okay, you can go and register yourself. Okay, so you can simply register. There are so many students who will be registering for this. You will get to know how many of them have registered for it. Okay, and then you will get every day a test. So today's test will be available to you in a PDF format in this particular course. Okay, then there is a link also provided. With that link you will be submitting your answers. Is that okay with everyone? Is that very clear with everyone? Very good. So once you submit your answers, ठीक है, okay, then you will be getting detailed solutions. Okay, the detailed solutions will be available to you within 12 hours. Okay, for example, let's say 9 p.m. is a test, and we have said last time to submit is 9:50 p.m. So the students who have submitted their answers by 9:50 p.m., only those students will be able to see the solution. Okay, I think this is pretty clear. Very good. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this. Do not miss out to be part of this CLAT huddle. It's a wonderful exercise across India. Okay. So that large number of you can gain a lot of advantage. Okay. Thank you very much and all the best.